Anong sagot dyan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. I noticed how a lot of people got this question wrong and I think I know why. So, isolve muna natin siya. Sabi dito, meron daw silang biniling 7 tickets. Ang binayaran nila ay 2,900. Dalawang klase ang ticket. Merong 500 pesos for adults and 300 naman for children. Ang total niya is 2,900. Tapos, yung tickets na gusto nating malaman could just be X number of tickets. In this case, that could be the adult tickets, that would be our X. And then yung child tickets naman would just be 7 minus X. Now, bakit 7 minus X? Kasi nga, 7 yung total na dami ng tickets. At kung X na yung sa adults, para malaman natin kung ilan yung sa children, ibabawas lang natin yun dun sa 7. Now that we have that, we can form the equation. X times 500 would be yung ginastos nila sa adult tickets. Idadagdag natin yung 7 minus X times 300, which is yung presyo naman for the children. And yung mga yan should total 2,900 pesos. So let's just solve it down. 500x plus 300 would be distributed doon sa 7 at sa negative x. 2,100 minus 300x. Kasama natin yung dalawang x, so 500x minus 300x would just be 200x plus 2,100 equals 2,900. Pwede naman natin ilipat dito sa kabilang side para maiwan yung x sa side na ito. And we can do that by doing the same thing sa left side, sa right side, which is mabawasan natin siya ng 2,100. Gagawin natin dito. And we would be left with just 800 here and just 200x here. After that, we divide both sides by 200 para naman makancel natin or maging 1 na lang ito. And we will be left with x is equal to 4. So, ibig sabihin nun, 4 ang adult tickets. Now, kung ang sagot nyo ay 4, you would be wrong. Bakit? Kasi ang totoong tanong is how many more adult tickets did they buy? So, ang tanong ay hindi kung ilan yung adult tickets, kundi gaano karami ang dinami ng adult tickets kaysa sa children's tickets. Which means, we need to know kung ilan yung children's tickets. That would be 7 minus 4 or 3 child tickets. At ibabawas natin ngayon, yung 3 na yan sa 4, which will leave us with 1. How many more adult tickets did they buy? It's 1 ticket. I posted this question kasi dyan laging nahuhuli ang marami pagdating sa problem solving, lalo na in exams. And if you haven't finished our entire course on problem solving, meron yung 6 parts at meron ding quiz sa dulo. Go ahead and check it out sa aking YouTube channel. Go through the entire process mula sa pinaka-simple hanggang sa mga pinaka-tricky na problems and hopefully, that could help you score more sa iyong susunod na exam. Alright, ingat sa more, type mo sa baba para hindi mo makalimutan and don't forget to follow me for more.